Whoa, 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 whoa. That is not good.
Currently watching a segment from the Heels, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course, where Kelly and Joel Harden move a mobile home due to a drastic increase in lot rent at their previous park. Originally, they wanted to relocate the FEMA mobile home to a piece of land, but its small size made it challenging to find suitable land. The Hardens bought the mobile home for $20,000, and the move cost just under $4,500. Now, it's being rented out at a new park for $1,500 per month. By making this move, the Hardens are saving over $285 a month in lot rent. In the video, you'll see Joel Harden overseeing the entire moving process and coordinating with the movers. Kelly and Joel Harden have been successfully operating in the mobile home business for the past 4.5 years. Over this period, they have expanded their portfolio to include 19 mobile homes and 2 single-family homes, all financed through business lines of credit or business credit cards. Their primary strategy revolves around renting these properties to ensure a steady stream of lifelong cash flow. Kelly is now offering a mini mobile home investing course that will delve into 3 crucial areas. 1. Finding mobile home parks that allow rentals. Learn how to identify and secure mobile home parks where rental operations are permitted. 2. Creating notes. Understand the process of creating promissory notes to facilitate financing and investment opportunities. 3. Renting mobile homes to Section 8 tenants. Gain insights into the specifics of renting mobile homes to Section 8 tenants, including compliance and benefits. The course will be launching soon, and Kelly is offering a free 30-minute one-on-one Zoom session to discuss the full course details and determine if it aligns with your investment goals. If you're interested, please contact Kelly at 800-974-5580 to schedule your free consultation.
Once we get it to its new destination and we get a new Section 8 tenant, then we're going to really recoup our money, our $5,000 for this move back very, very quickly. So we actually got, this is our most expensive mobile home. We actually got this mobile home for $20,000. We've had it roughly about 2 years. We had some good paying tenants, but we decided to move the mobile home. And so the tenants have since moved in a nearby mobile home in this community. Okay, so I'll just give y'all a tour. So right now they just took the skirting down, and then you can look underneath this mobile home. Very nice, no trash or anything like that underneath the mobile home. So we'll go around to the front. What I like about this home is that the AC, and if you guys can see it up here, the AC is not like on the ground like you see typically of other mobile homes. So the AC is out of the elements, the water and all that kind of stuff. Animals eating away at your AC. So that has a tendency when it's like that for the mobile home, the AC can last a little bit longer. Okay. So when you're moving a mobile home, you should always take pictures of the mobile home before they actually move it, just in case there's any type of damages. Then you'll be able to say, hey, you damaged my whole mobile home. Always get somebody who is bonded and insured. It's very important. As a matter of fact, if you're dealing with a legitimate park, they won't let you just have anybody move your mobile home. And so I think this mobile home was roughly about a little under 800 square feet. And as you can see the trash here, guys, this trash is going to have to be taken away, because if it's not taken away, what happens is the park is going to have us, we're going to pay a fine. So we have to make sure this type of stuff is gone. So we're waiting right now for the movers. I just want to show you the front of the mobile home and what they actually did. So this is called the cover of the mobile home. This is the cover of the mobile home. And this is what you